Plant FAQs, Calathea Marion. Calathea Marion. Unveiling the beauty and care of this prayer plant. Hi there, Furbu here. Today we're diving into the world of the captivating Calathea Marion, also known as the Marion prayer plant. This tropical stunner has stolen the hearts of many plant enthusiasts with its mesmerizing foliage and unique characteristics. If you're considering welcoming a Calathea Marion into your home, you've come to the right place. This FAQ will unveil everything you need to know about caring for this beauty, from understanding its ideal environment to troubleshooting common issues. See more 59 species in genus Calathea at monsteraholic.com. What makes the Calathea Marion special? The Calathea Marion boasts a symphony of colors on its leaves. Deep green forms the base, elegantly accented with feathery, pale green brushstrokes. The artistry doesn't stop there. The undersides showcase a contrasting, deep burgundy hue, adding another layer of visual intrigue. Beyond its stunning appearance, the Calathea Marion exhibits a fascinating phenomenon called nyctinasty. Just like some people pray at night, this plant's leaves rise upwards in the evening, resembling folded hands. This movement helps regulate moisture and temperature. Calathea Marion versus other prayer plants. There are many prayer plants out there, each with its own charm. Here's a quick comparison to help you distinguish the Calathea Marion. Calathea orbifolia. This prayer plant features large, round leaves with prominent veins, resembling a living globe. Calathea lancifolia. Often called the rattlesnake plant, its leaves boast a captivating pattern resembling rattlesnake skin. Maranta lucanura. Prayer plant. This classic prayer plant displays a herringbone pattern on its velvety leaves. Calathea Marion versus Calathea medallion. Calathea Marion shares a close resemblance to medallion, featuring round leaves with similar colors. However, a distinguishing feature of Calathea Marion is the striking silvery green band outlining the leaf edges. The Calathea Marion stands out with its unique brushstroke pattern and contrasting burgundy undersides, creating a thriving paradise for your Calathea Marion. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of Calathea Marion care. Light. Think rainforest floor. Bright, indirect light is ideal. Avoid harsh, direct sun, which can scorch the leaves. Temperature. Aim for a consistent range between 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Drastic temperature fluctuations can stress the plant. Humidity. Mimic the tropics. Moderate to high humidity is key. Consider using a humidifier, pebble tray, or grouping plants together to increase humidity. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Opt for a mix specifically formulated for houseplants. Common Calathea Marion issues and solutions. Even the most attentive plant parent might encounter occasional challenges. Here are some common issues and how to tackle them. Brown leaf edges. This often indicates low humidity. Increase humidity levels around your plant. Curling leaves. This could be due to underwatering or excessive light. Adjust your watering schedule and check the light intensity. Droopy leaves. Underwatered Calathea Marion will exhibit drooping leaves. Give your plant a thorough drink. Remember, early diagnosis is key. By identifying the issue promptly, you can take corrective action and restore your Calathea Marion to its former glory. Additional tips for a flourishing Calathea Marion. Fertilize. During the growing season, spring and summer, a diluted liquid fertilizer once a month can provide a gentle boost. Repotting. As your Calathea Marion matures, it may need a larger pot. Repot every 1 to 2 years into a pot that's 1 to 2 inches larger in diameter. Cleaning the leaves. Wipe the leaves occasionally with a damp cloth to remove dust and allow for optimal light absorption. Conclusion. The Calathea Marion is a captivating plant that thrives with proper care. By following these tips, you can create a thriving paradise for this tropical wonder in your own home. With its stunning foliage and fascinating nyctinasty, the Calathea Marion is sure to become a cherished conversation starter in your space. Happy planting!